Hello mga kadipat, this is Don Patrick D. Paraguilar and you are watching Dipat TV.
This Deepat's Tamiya League random video log is presented to you by LBC Will Like to Move It, and special thanks as well to Tamiya Changi Online and the Quick Coffee Shop in the city of Malolos, Bulacan. Yosh. Hello mga kadipat, Don Patrick D. Paraguilar here for another random video log here on DTL Random Blog, this 40th edition. So this is my 40th edition of Deepat's Tamiya League Random Video Log number 5 for the year 2025 and number 40 overall in our playlist Deepat TV YouTube channel. Yan, so please like, follow, and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Deepat TV, Don Patrick Aguilar, and close parenthesis doon sa aking YouTube channel. Yan yung YouTube channel ko po, Deepat TV, Don Patrick Aguilar. Also on TikTok at Deepat Tamiya League, and also Facebook pages, Deepat Aguilar, An Evening with Deepat Aguilar, and Deepat's Tamiya League. Alright, so mga kadipat, pang-apat na po sa kararating lang po ng aking yung natanggap na na Tamiya ayuda. Once again, special thanks to Mr. Evan Mary Constantino and the rest of Tamiya Changi Online and the Quick Coffee Shop in the city of Malolos, Bulacan. And of course, mga kadipat, yun nga, pag-uusapan nga po natin ang ating edition, ang 40th edition natin, is itong pinadala sa atin, ayan, through cash on delivery service of LBC. Again, presented to us by LBC. We like to move it. Yan, once again, special thanks to Tamiya Changi Online and the Quick Coffee Shop. Yan nga po. Ito nga po yung yung natanggap ko po na item. Akala ko ng inyong lingkod hindi pa na-ship o naipadala. Ito na pala. So, hindi ko lang na-track agad yung shipment. But then again, somehow, thanks so much at malalaman na po natin without further ado what is inside this LBC ayuda box that we have received. So right away, dito na natin, guntingin na natin. I have my little sister right here, and of course, pala, before we proceed, the beneficiary. Actually, I only brought one RTR here, and that's Ryuki, the newly renovated Ryuki. Itong si Ryuki, napalitan na po siya ng all BZ Red. Ito nga po yan, talagang BZ chassis red from item number 95630. Yun na nga po yung gamit ngayon ni Ryuki at as a chassis set, yung front end, pero yung A part naman nito ay kulay itim. The red and black colors of Masked Rider Ryuki, resembling this BMAX All Tamiya RTR. So siya yung pangunahing recipient ng ating or beneficiary ng ating ipapakitang ayuda for this edition of DCL Random Blog. So again, this is number 40, the 40th video log in our playlist, DCL Random Vlogs, and or Deepat's Tamiya League Random Vlogs rather. Ayan, kaya hindi ko na po nila-live sa Facebook. It's simply because of the new rule implemented by Meta. Yan, yung bagong rule na in-implement ng Meta. Pag nag-live video po, within 1 month lang yon pwedeng umere sa loob lang ng isang buwan. So, para for life na nandyan yung mga, natin, kailangan i-re-upload natin siya. So, kailangan i-download natin, then i-re-upload na lang para for life ang pananatili ng ating mga yung mga naging past live feeds or live streaming videos na ginawa po natin in the past. So, yan. Alright, so again, it's Ryuki with the being the beneficiary for this Ayuda that I'm going to unbox. So right away, I'm gonna cut them out, cut out the edges right here, and ayan, yung aking boses po ngayon, mga kalipat, simply because we don't need to be too loud. I just don't need to. I just don't want to be too loud about regarding what we are talking about here for our 40th edition, and it's simply because kagigising lang po ng inyong likod. I just woke up like this after maybe almost an hour of power nap. Let's just call it power nap, you know. Yan. Also, shout out din pala to my ultimate crush and my ultimate love of my life, Myrtle Sarosa. Ayan, sabay papogi. Nani? Nani? Alright. Shout out again to Myrtle Sarosa. I love you so much. My only forever Venice. Yan. Venice sa may Ilonggo girl. Or, sa mamaya, may Ilonggo girl. Papalabas na naman. Tuwing Lunes hanggang Huwebes po yun. 4 times a week. Monday to Thursday. Yan. Yan po at 9:35 in the evening. In our Philippine Standard Time, it's 9:35. Yun ang time slot po ng May Ilonggo Girl on GMA 7. GMA TV 10 here in North and Central Luzon. Alright. So, we are going to unbox. So, this is the content of that LBC box that we have shown you. So, I'll just further cut them out until it comes out. Until we let the cat out of the bag. Yeah. Letting the cat out of the bag, meaning revealing the secret. That's an idiomatic expression. Yeah, for your information. For your info. Yung let the cat out of the bag, revealing a secret. Sa talinhaga naman natin sa Pilipinas, ang tawag doon, sumingaw ang baho. Pasingawin ng baho. May lihim na ibubunyag, ibig sabihin. Alright, so yan. Pag sa English naman, let the cat out of the bag. May ibinunyag ng lihim. No? Okay. So, triple o doble o triple yung pagka balot. Asin balot na balot. Alright. So, sandamakmak yung nilagay na plastic. Nagaru. Nagado tibalput na. Agi. Agilatan. Alright. Meron pa. Aha. Meron pa mga masking tape na binalot. Adupay gayam. Adupay gayam. Meron pang disbursement detail pa pala. May disbursement detail pa. Aha. Dito na lang. Ikat na lang natin dito sa edge na to para mas madaling buksan. Alright. Ayun na. Nasilip ko na po kung ano yung laman. So, mga kadipat. Alright. How will I reveal this one? There you go. Okay. So, here it is. Alright. So within this black plastic that is within that LBC box that we have received here now is the car kit. Actually, first up, before we proceed, I'll just give you a clue regarding what our Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive vlog is all about. This review showing first the car kit review. Actually, we have a car kit inside here. So I bought a car kit which is actually one of my picks for the year 2025. So this car kit is that I'm gonna make a review is all about the car kit that that is the remake of my first ever Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive car that I bought since 2001. Actually, way back in the year 2001, I actually bought a Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive car kit. So as to enjoy an original Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive car kit. So I bought this car model that I'm gonna make a review. This time in a more advanced version of it, and that was actually my first original Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive car. Now, in a remake, what I'm going to make a review is the remake of that aforementioned car kit that I bought way back 2001. So, without further ado, it's now time to review what our featured car kit review for today's edition of the Pats Tamilig Random Vlogs in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so mga kadipat, ito nga po ang ating featured car kit review featuring the Buster Sonic Premium AR chassis model of the fully cowled Mini 4-wheel drive series. That is the 45th. This is actually the 45th Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive car model in the fully cowled Mini 4-wheel drive series since 1994. One of the currently 54 Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive models. Itong remake ng Buster Sonic Premium molded in the AR chassis car kit. Ayan, alongside Victory Magnum din. Ayan, ang item number po nito ay 19445. Once again, that number is 19445. So, itong 19445 review na ito yung gagawin natin ng review, ang Buster Sonic Premium. Ito po actually, yung Buster Sonic noon was originally released, originally produced as a Super TC chassis Mini 4-wheel drive car 19423. Again, it's 19423. That's the first version of Buster Sonic. And yun nga pa, molded in a Super TC chassis. Kasagsagan nga po ng Let's and Go World Grand Prix. Yan yung evolved form ng Hurricane Sonic. Yan, kasabay ng Beat Magnum. Yung Beat Magnum is 19421. And then sinundan ng Big Spider Zebra. And then ito yung sumunod, yung Buster Sonic Super TC chassis. Yan, ngayon, ni-release after many years, na-reproduce itong Buster Sonic with its premium version as an AR chassis car. So, katulad din ng Beat Magnum Premium 19444, ano rin yun, AR molded in AR black and blue. Ito naman black and red. The fighting red and green, the Sonic. Yan yung trademark talaga ng Sonic. Ito yung original version po nito. Yun yung pinakauna kong Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive car kit na original po. Yung original, as in yung talagang Tamiya brand mismo. Yun yung pinakauna kong car. Yun yung trivia ko po sa inyo mga kadipat. So, good thing, meron na-release din po yung Buster Sonic as AR. Ang maganda nun, yung item number 9, series number 9, item number 5, at saka yung ganun din, the other way around, item 5, item 5, series 9, and the other way around, series 5, item 9. Item number 9. Yung lumabas doon sa numerology ko, ito yung isa sa pasok na pasok doon sa list ko na yan, na series of 9 at saka series of 5. So, twice in every 9 years. So, 2 of every 2 of 9 years, every 5 at saka 9. So, last time it was 2021. So, after 4 years, pwede kong kunin ulit itong Buster Sonic. So, from here on, pwedeng after 5 years bago ko makuha ulit itong Buster Sonic Premium. So, this premium version of the Buster Sonic model is what we are going to talk about with our regarding our car kit review. So, ayan nga po yun. So, for further discussion, ito na po, bubuksan na po natin kagad. Ipapakita ko na po sa inyo kagad what composed this premium Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive car model under the fully cowled Mini 4-wheel drive series. Alright mga kadipat, once again Don Patrick D. Paraguila here for continuing discussion of our car kit review of the Buster Sonic Premium Car Kit AR Chassis 19445 item number. So in front of you are the compositions of this amazing Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive car kit, the Buster Sonic model. At the bottom view, as we see here on screen, we have here the cowl, of course, the aerodynamic cowl design of the Buster Sonic itself, and having ABS resin. Of course, that's ABS resin cowl. Also, the chassis is molded in metallic gray for the main frame. Yung monocoque main frame nito is molded in metallic gray ABS resin. Also, yung the same na mold as a Beat Magnum Premium 19444. Magkasunod lang po kasi sila sa fully cowled series 19444 Beat Magnum Premium. At yung kasunod nito, itong ang hawak natin ngayon, yung Buster Sonic Premium 19445. Alright, yung kasi yun series number 9 kasi 4 plus 5, number 45, number 9, 4 plus 5, 9. Tapos yung 19445, so i-sum up yung digit na yun, 4, 4 at saka 1, 9, cancel, yung 9, cancel din, ang matira 5. So, 9 and 5 ito, series item respectively. So, ayan, part of my numerology, 4, 9 or 5. 9 at saka 5, so twice in every 9 years. Twice in every 9 years, pwede kukunin itong Buster Sonic. At yung Cosmosonic din. So, magkakaroon ng Sonic reunion na tinatawag. So, the old Sonic and the new Sonic reunited. Pero sa magkaibang category nga lang. Kasi itong Buster Sonic, dahil meron po siyang large diameter yellow mags. Yung wheelset niya molded in yellow. Galing din niya sa Beat Magnum Premium 19444 set, wheel set. Pero molded in yellow nga lang. Yun naman talagang fighting color na Sonic, fluorescent yellow or yellow. Except for Vanguard Sonic Premium sa 19435 item number, naman siya? Carbon. Carbon Super 2 mags. Tapos yung Victory Magnum Premium naman puti. Pag sa ibang mga Sonic, yung Sonic Saber at saka yellow din. Tapos yung Vanguard fluorescent yellow, Super 1. Tapos yung Hurricane TZ fluorescent yellow din. Yung Buster TZ fluorescent yellow din na ganito rin. And then yung Blitzer Sonic yellow BS mags naman. And then yung Rodeo Sonic fluorescent yellow BS mags din. And then yung Great Blast Sonic yellow. Cosmosonic also yellow. 5-spoke yung sa Great Blast, yung sa Cosmo 8-spoke naman na yellow din. Ganito rin kulay. Okay, meron din siya slick tires. Of course, standard slick tires ang content nitong car kit na to. Also, yun na nga, like I mentioned earlier, puti na ABS resin cowl ang meron. At ang included na gear ratio, dahil nga po large diameter wheels and tires ang included dito sa kit na to. It has a default gear set of 4.2:1. That's the red and brown combination. Brown as brown spur gear and a red counter gear, G11 and G9 respectively. That's 4.2:1. And it also has, I guess this is stock SMC motor. Stock motor SMC type, the new type of about 130 motor na stock motor. So yun po yung what consists this one. Of course, because this is AR, it's much easier to meron siyang magandang ease of maintenance. Yun nga, yung parang yung sinabi ko na rin ng mga past videos, yung kainaan lang talaga nito yung sa front. Yung paggampas doon sa front. Kaya hindi natin basta-basta ito magagamitan to na sobrang lakas na makina. Kahit paggamitan natin to ng plastic double rollers or maliban na lang kung iseset ito sa basic max or sa open class or sa sa ibang category. Pero pag sa box stock or pro stock, talagang kailangan maging maingat po tayo. Alright, of course, ang box stock nito as is, kung ano po yung nakikita nyo rito, yung po yung box stock version niya talaga, as is nyo po talaga yan ilalaro. Now, pag box stock if you're playing this in box stock category. Alright. So, yan yung bottom view, yung nakita nyo kanina, top view po niya, ito yon. So, yan. Alright, so once again, ito nga po, yun nga, yung gaya ng sinabi ko nga po, yan ngayon nakalagay, yan, high performance sa AR, yan, metallic gray. Yung red, it's POMA parts, made with polyoxymethylene. Yun yung talagang standard material ng mga AR chassis. Yan, tapos yan, the other details are here. Written encoded in Japanese languages, Japanese and English languages, that is. Ayan, yung again, ito nga po yung item number. Buster Sonic Premium is 19445 item number. Alright, so for further discussion, let's unbox, it's time now for us to unbox what is inside, or what you see is what you get from this Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive car kit. Alright mga kadipat, once again, Don Patrick D. Paraguila here for continuing our discussion regarding Buster Sonic Premium item number 19445. So, as I unbox the contents of the car kit that we are making a car kit review, here now are the, what you see is what you get portion for this amazing Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive car kit Buster Sonic Premium. Once again, it's item number 19445 AR chassis car. So the first one to reveal, in no particular order, I'll just reveal them one by one. So first up, right in front of you is the Buster Sonic car in white abs resin. Yan, ayun nga po, nakalagay nga dito. Yan o, sabi niya, it's wow, I just, wait lang po mga katipat. Okay, so, hindi lang makita rito. Ayun. So, dito po naka-indicate yun na abs resin. Dito po siya. Dito po siya makikita. Pag tinignan nyo po yung ilalim mga kadipat, dito nyo po makikita kung ano yung material nitong body shell na ito. So, nakaturo po siya sa abs. Dito po siya nakaangat sa abs. Yung isang PS doon is polystyrene naman. Polystyrene. Polystyrene. Parang polyester lang, ano? Polystyrene. So, for this case, ito ay gawa sa abs resin, molded in racing white color. Yan, racing white, gold leaf. Ito gold leaf, yung booster niya. Sa Let's and Go World Grand Prix, ito yung nagiging yung booster niya. Bali, pag umangat yun, magbo-boost up yun para makapag siya, para maka-accelerate siya. Gold leaf ito. Ito namang hook, yung front hook na to, semi-gloss black. X18, ito X12. Yung ito namang racing white TS7, if I'm not mistaken, if I remember it right, yung po yung mga color code for Tamiya paints na gagamitin para dito sa Buster Sonic car. So again, this is the Buster Sonic car which was originated from its original original version, which is 19423. Ang sabi niya rito, it's 19423. So nagmula itong cowl na ito, nagmula talaga dun sa kung paano ko siya, kung paano ko ito nabili before noong 2001, way back 2001. So yan nga po yung material ng cowl. The next one to reveal are the mags. Ito nga po yung sinasabi natin. Ito yung mga mags niya, large diameter wheels. Yan, molded in polypropylene, yellow polypropylene as we have shown here. Ayan, dito po siya na dito nyo po mababasa kung anong klase, anong material ang ginamit dito para sa mags na ito, and that is polypropylene. Yung double P is polypropylene. Again, it's 2015 yun. Gaya nga nasabi dito, the same model as the same composition as Beat Magnum Premium 19444. Dito po doon po nag-derive itong mags na ito. But this time, this is molded in yellow as opposed to Magnum, itong Sonic. Alright. So, in conjunction, again, and in conjunction with those mags, in conjunction with those racing mags are these large diameter slick tires. Yan, made of thermoplastic elastomer from 1801. What's this? 18014 from Abante, I guess. Medium hard, sabi naman niya. Medium hard pala daw siya. So, standard slick tire po ito. Yun ang nasa content ng Buster Sonic Premium. Likewise, by the same as Beat Magnum Premium, yun nga po yung content niya. Made of thermoplastic elastomer. Next up, we have the mainframe here. So, this is the metallic gray abs resin monocoque mainframe chassis of the AR. Mainframe ng AR chassis. Yan. Derived from Aero Avante 18701, the first ever AR chassis Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive model in history. So, yan nga po, metallic gray. The same din naman to nung mold ng Beat Magnum. Wala namang pinagkaiba kasi yung Beat Magnum at yung Buster Sonic. Talagang talagang arch rival yon when it comes to racing. But, magiging magkakampi sila pag ang kalaban na nila, mga Bracken Giant, Big Spider, Black Blader, ganyan. Kasama pa yung Tri-Dagger, Porto Saber, at saka yung mga spin. So, again, this is metallic gray abs resin. Itong monocoque mainframe ng AR. Alright. The next one to reveal are these polyoxymethylene red red POM A parts rather. So itong pula as opposed to Magnum, of course, Magnum is fighting red and blue. Ang Sonic naman is fighting red and green. Red and green combinations yung Sonic. Ang Magnum is red and blue, o blue trimmed in red. Ito naman red trimmed in green. So for as opposed to Magnum, ang polyoxymethylene A parts o internals ng AR ay kulay pula, molded in red POM. Itong A parts or internals ng Buster Sonic Premium Car Kit. Yan. So, I forgot na kung ano yung ibang mga AR chassis car na meron ding red. I think yan lang ata. I think yan lang ata. I don't know lang yung Great Blast at saka yung I think ganun din. Red Abs din. Yung Great Blast Sonic at saka yung yung ano pa ba yung ibang mga I think yung yung Hurricane Sonic pala ganito rin. Yung Cyclone Magnum at Hurricane Sonic yun din, blue and red respectively rin. The same din with Beat Magnum and Buster Sonic respectively, blue and red din. Na POM. Pinagkaiba lang, nagkatalo lang sa gulong. Bale. No? Alright, next. Next to reveal are these driving mechanism. Ito yung driving mechanism ng AR, buong car kit na to. Yan, yung AR chassis yan. Kasama rito yung stock SMC. Ayan na nga po. It's obvious that this is a stock SMC motor simply because it has lines. It has lines on the back. It also has a hole underneath the rod, underneath the motor. Yan. As you see here, that black dot. Yun po yung butas. So, therefore, this is obviously a stock SMC variant of a Type 130 motor included in the car kit. And yan. Yeah, meron nga po grease, battery and motor terminal, switch terminal, yan, 4.2:1 gear set right here. Yan nga po yun, black, brown and red. Brown counter gear, red counter gear, brown spur gear rather. Yan, with pink G13 crown gears as its default. Propeller as well, wheel shafts, also the screws, washers, and the short shaft for the counter gear. Yan nga po ang naka-include dito sa ating Buster Sonic Premium Car Kit. Alright. The penultimate item to be shown from the car kit are these stickers. So this is the sticker set of Buster Sonic Premium. So you have, in the Brickyard, in the rules of in backstock rules of the Brickyard, there it's an obligation for us. So we are obliged to put all of these stickers. The whole sticker set must be installed must be put into the cowl, everything must be put here, must be put in with the cowl. So ibig sabihin kailangan dikit mo lahat. Ganun yung obligado tayong idikit lahat yan yung mga nandun sa amin. Alright. So, yan po yung sticker set ng Buster Sonic Premium. Also, meron pong name tab yan. Never forget this one. So that so as to be individually distinguishable, so that the car that you are racing, whatever Tamiya Mini Forward Drive tournament you are competing, you make your car individually distinguishable with this name tag. So never forget this one. Below, this is actually below the under the chassis itself, under the car chassis of your racing car. So it's a must to put this. So for backstock, you need to apply all of these. But for other categories, it's up to you whether or not to install these stickers. Alright. Definitely not the least, finally, from this car kit, are the instruction manuals right here. The car kit assembly is on my right, and on my left is the general instructions, the safety precautions, the do's and don'ts of assembling, operating, and using batteries, everything regarding Tamiya Mini Forward Drive operations. Yan. Whenever you play it. Encoded in both Japanese and English languages. Itong ano na to, yellow. Ito naman multilingual naman itong ano natin. Itong car key, ang tawag dito, yung instruction booklet na ano ha. So, yan. Alright. So, mga kadipat, yan yung mga dinaskas po natin ngayong ngayong vlog na ito. Ito nga po yon yung mismong Buster Sonic Premium Car Kit, the entire composition of this amazing Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive car kit, Buster Sonic Premium. Ayan nga po yan. Okay. Tingnan ko lang. Masinag kasi yung araw, pa sunset na kasi. Okay. So ayan nga po yung yung buong yung kaubuan ng totality of this amazing Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive car kit, Buster Sonic Premium. Sorry, I forgot to put it right here. So there you go. So once again, this is Buster Sonic Premium item number 19445. That number again is 19445. This amazing Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive car kit from the fully cowed Mini 4-wheel drive series. So this was actually this is the revision or the remake of my first ever Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive car kit that I bought in my own history. So welcome back, old friend. Yan. Welcome back to my old friend Buster Sonic. Welcome back home to Team D-Pat. Alright mga ka-D-Pat, once again, Don Patrick D-Pat regular here for our continuing discussion of our 40th random video log here on DTL Random Vlogs. So before we proceed to our other parts purchased for second half of February, yan, buti na lang just in time before February comes to an end. Penultimate day of February po ngayon, February 27, February 27, 2025 po ang araw ngayon. That's why I wear red, because it's 9, 18, or 27. Whenever the date is 9, 18, or 27, kung yun po yung date, pula talaga sinusuot ko. Okay, so for our further discussion of our 40th Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive vlog on DCR Random Vlogs, ayan, let's give special thanks once again to Tamiya Changi Online and the Quick Hobby Shop for this freebie. Ayan, may pinamigay na freebie na pre-Tamiya sticker. Yan, thanks so much. Yan nga po. Hindi ko lang po alam kung makakasali po ko dun sa Philippine Tamiya Cup Leg. So malamang hindi po ako makasali, alanganin, yun nga po ang ano ko kasi, yung takbo ng utak ko kasi yung responsibilidad at obligasyon sa aking magulang, sa aking daddy. Yun po ang dahilan baka kung manalo man ako sa makakwalify sa Maynila, maiwanan naman siya ng matagal, wala rin. Hindi po maiiwasan ng inyo po ng aking ama na mag-alala. So, ganun lang po yung So, please understand po mga kadibat. So, tinabing ko lang po itong yung payong kasi mainit na po kasi palubog na kasi yung araw. No? So, once again, sa sticker na to, maraming salamat ulit sa Tamiya Changi Online at the Quick Hobby Shop. So, for further discussion of our random video log today, the other two tune-up part set that I am going to discuss, actually, there are only two. So, the first one is the item number 15527 stainless steel countersunk screws, 6, 8, and 15 mm in length. So yung haba nito 6, 8, and 15, tig 10 po yan. Ang item number po nito ay 15527 countersunk screws na 6, 8, and 15 mm length, 6, 8, and 15 mm long. Na stainless steel. Obviously, ang paggagamitan ko nito ay Speedtech at B-Max. Yung mga basic Max or X-Tac at ito yung mga Speedtech ko, doon ko ilalagay. So, pandagdag sa kanila kung sakali magbubuo pa ako ng mga Speedtech at mga B-Max. So, this is the first one. And the other item that I bought are the 17 mm, so high grade 17 mm aluminum ball race rollers, ringless, yung ringless this type na 17 mm diameter aluminum ball race rollers to be used for basic Max or X-Tac. Yan nga po yung matatanggap ni Ryuki. Yung aking X-Tac na BZ chassis car na si Ryuki, ito yung problema ko doon sa likod. So, itong mga roller na to, ang matatanggap niya for this. So ito ang papalit ko rito sa mga 13mm. So, yung mga 13mm, usually nilalagay ko yan sa harap, in front. So, pwede rin naman sa likod. Pero depende po yon sa car model at sa ibang mga modifications. Alright. So, again, itong 17mm high-grade aluminum ball race rollers ringless Item number is 15522. Again, that's 15522. The item number of this racy dish type 17mm high-grade aluminum ball race ringless rollers. To be used by Ryuki. At the rear. Actually, sa likod po niya. Alright. So, yun na nga po yun. Okay. So, that's it. So, yun po yung ibang mga discussion po natin. Konti na lang po. So, yan. Okay. So, there you have it. Ayan na nga po yun. So, yan. Buong summary na po natin. Yung Buster Sonic Premium plus yung mga stainless steel counters ng K6815 and also yung mga 17mm aluminum ball race roller na high grade ringless roller. Obviously sa BMAX po yung gagamitin. Basta ringless matic sa BMAX ko po gagamitin yan. Pag sa ano naman, pag sa Speedtech yung mga may o-ring slot, whether may plastic ring or rubber o-ring. Ganon. Usually plastic ring pag open class. Now, yan nga po yan. Ne. Mababa na. Durug. Nagbaba, baby. Alright. So, this wraps up here our random video log here on DPAT's Tamiya League random vlogs number 40 edition, or the 40th edition of our DTL random vlogs, the 5th for the year 2025. So, for now, mga kadipat, I'm signing up. Don Patrick DPAT Aguilar here for now, signing up. And once again, thanking you so much to all who watched and whoever will watch anytime dito sa ating content na ginagawa po natin for our DTL random whenever we receive our orders, yan, or yung mga anumang Tamiya item na aking nakukuha. So, na-o-order. Alright. So, again, once again, special thanks to Tamiya Changi Online and the Quick Coffee Shop in the city of Malolos, Bulacan. And once again, I remind everyone to stay safe and healthy, avoid negative vices, especially drugs and all other negativities around you, and protect yourselves from all those negativities at all times and at all costs as well. So, muli po, to God be all the glory and honor. God bless to all of us. God bless our beloved Mahaliga Nation, and God bless the entire world and all of us Filipinos across the globe. And like I always remind each and every true Filipino across the globe, love the Philippines, mahalin po natin ang Pilipinas at sama-sama po tayo muli at ipagmalaki sa buong mundong tayo ay Pilipino, isigaw na malakas ang ating panalo, taos puso, taas no kahit kanino, at sa mga manlulupig, hindi pasisiil, lakad matatag, anumang delubyo ang dumaan. So once again, this has been our 40th edition of our DTL Random Vlog. Once again, this has been another presentation of another Tamiya Mini 4-Wheel Drive vlog from yours truly, Don Patrick DPAT Aguilar. Once again, have a blessed day to all of you. And once again, shukran to Senta.